Hey, Tracy Nelson here with Creation Adventures and Outdoor Education. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful morning. The Lord has given us a little relief from the heat. This is the day that the Lord has made, and the Bible says let us rejoice and be glad, and so we have a lot to be thankful for today. I do, and I'm sure you do too if you'll think about it. They say one way to combat dementia and Alzheimer's, one doctor I listened to said every day get up, think of five things that you're thankful for. Well, my goodness, you should be able to do that in like 10 seconds, right? Thankful for your spouse, your family, your children, your grandchildren, your health, having a home to live in, having food in the refrigerator, having clean water come through your pipes. I mean, on and on. And then if you're a Christian, you're thankful mostly for your salvation. All right, so I thought I'd have some fun. I've been doing a little bit with the Ruger LCP 2 380 caliber handgun, kind of doing some demonstrations. I shot some targets a while ago on one of the videos from about 5 yards. Now I'm about 12 yards, and I've been talking about how difficult it is to shoot this handgun accurately. So just for funsies, I've got a small target there on the right, like something that people would shoot a .22 rifle with, to sight their rifle in. And what I'll do, I'm about 12 yards. I want to try to see how close I can get to the orange, to the bullseye with this this little LCP 2 380. All right, so I'm gonna load it up, put my ears on. So let's just see how we can do. Made it safe, slides locked back. I can physically check it, no round in the chamber. Still pointing down range, safe direction. I'm gonna lay it over here on the side. Now, let's just look. Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Best I can tell. Not too bad. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, about 12 yards. And that doesn't mean that I recommend getting one of these for self-defense. It's taken me a long time to be able to shoot just that accurate with that small handgun. So there again, I wouldn't recommend that for the beginner. That's a that you only pull that out if you have to. I mean, you know, this just it's a real close, you know, close range handgun. Well, anyway, like, subscribe if you like this content. Hope you're enjoying this series. I'll be getting into some other semi-autos in the near future. We'll have a great day. God bless you.